daily minute at the ranch. Probably the best daily minute ever. If you are wondering what I'm gonna do, follow me. You're gonna love it. Trust me. This is my friend Val. Are you ready for the best daily minute at the ranch ever? Let's go. This little trap. I don't even know if it's English. You can see maybe from where you are a little bucket full of poo. This is the back office of our toilet. And we have to clean that. So this one is pretty decent. Yeah, you can see this is dry. Oh fuck. Yeah, this is dry. I'm gonna put that in a place a couple of meters from here. So, when this guy is empty, you just need to let it dry in this beautiful sun. And when it's dry, you put a little of the mix with the 3 ingredients that we did, and then you put it back in the trap and you can go in the toilets again. Isn't it beautiful? Everything natural. So you've seen the back office of the toilet, now let's see the front office of the toilet. It's really nice. This is our bathroom. You can see this. The shower is there. We will talk about that in another daily minute. But now the toilets. Ta-da! This is a dry toilet. So we take this little bucket and we put this mix into it. Probably this will be easier. And now the toilet is ready.